So, good morning, my dear students. In my previous class, I started that language functions and also explained formal and informal and different types of concept regarding communication, function, language functions in a different situation. 16 a concept which they have given in your workbook that you have to do. In that beginning, first one here, starting conversation. See, starting conversation, it is also very important. So, for that, tips, language functions, in that we have different types of functioning. I told you already in previous class that 16 concept. Today, tips for starting a conversation. See, first one, use open body language. Second one, actively listen. Then have confidence. Get contact information and follow up. So, that is what here. Try to listen. In your workbook, that page number 71, they have given some conversation. Starting a conversation with a stranger where you meet, they will be unknowing to you. So, starting is also very important. You to begin. Let us see this tips for starting a conversation. Use open body language. See, body language plays very important role while speaking. See, speaking, when we communicate someone, if I am a speaker, opponent will be listener, and if he starts speaking, I will become listener and he will speaker. So, beginning here, if we want to impress a person who is unknown and stranger, what words to be used beginning? That is the here. So, let us at the time of speaking, use open body language, our body language. See, according to our words, we have to use body language. Body language means here maybe your hands, standing position, and lips, your movements of lips, eyebrows, eyelids, and enlarging your eyes, even movement of your head. So, everything, all these organs should play correctly according what you speak. So, that is here. Body language. Use open. Open means a free. Standing like statue, and if we go on speaking, that is not good in communication. So, that is here. To help the individuals you are engaging feel more comfortable, try to smile. See, smiling is the best impression. Don't be angry. While speaking someone, first you have to give smile. Maintain eye contact. See, speaking with that person, if I see somewhere, how can he will be listening? So that is what here. You have to smile and eye contact. We have to, when I am speaking that person, I have to see that fellow and speak. Eye contact and confident posture. Confident, what here? Posture, standing in a correct position, not like this, in a loose body. So, correct position, eye contact, give a smile and speak. Smiling is the best impression. But don't give whoever they go on road smiling. No. To whom you want to speak, for them you have to give first a smile and then start your conversation at that time. Not people who will go on road, for them you have to smile. Don't do that one. Here, when you start speaking a person, to him you have to smile it, you have to see him, and then also confidently you have to stand and what to speak with to that person. You should also be attentive to others' body language. Even you have to see their body language. Mismatch, it should not be. If you can tell that they are closed off and unresponsive, it may be best to move on and respect their space. So, here closed off, unresponsive, we have to see that what we should do, we have to leave a time him to speak something. Move on and respect their space. Let him to give a time. So, it is very important here, unresponsive. If we confidently with eye contact, smiling, if he has not given any response, it is better to what? Unresponsive, to give a time to that fellow. It may not be a good time for them to build a connection with someone new. We have to leave it that. Next time we can see. So, like that here, body language also plays very important role while communicating other. That is the point here. Conversation, starting conversation. Use open body language. It may be eye contact, a smile, facial expression, body movements, all should be there while speaking. That body language impress a listener to listen more carefully. So, that is what. Next one, active listen. So, here active listen is nothing but not only speaker here, listener, listening skill. If opponent, if that person is speaking with me, I have to listen first. Listening means looking somewhere and tell me, not like that. Yeah, actively we have to listen. Active listening means focusing completely on the speaker, what is speaking. Even in communication skills, listening skill, writing skill, speaking skill, so many skills are there. So, listening also very important, not only speaking. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಯಿ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಿವಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಕಿವಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಾಯಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎರಡಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ವೈ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್. Active listening means focusing completely on the speaker. This will allow you to fully understand the information being exchanged during the conversation in order to respond thoughtfully. When I can give a good response if I listen carefully what he is speaking. ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಬುದು ನಾವು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಧಂಬರ್ಧ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಸ್ 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 ನೋ 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 ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ವೇ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್. First understand what information means in this conversation, what he is speaking, and we have to understand what information he is going to give, and then we have to respond thoughtfully. This will help to build trust. Nambike beku. That will what? If we respond thoughtfully, it will build up what? Trust and a relationship with the person you are engaged with. So here, starting when we impress him, that build up a strong relation and it will remain. It will remain forever. So that is what here. So listening also very important. Active. Actively listening. ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆಯವರಲ್ಲ. Here circumstances, according to circumstances, what the matter we are going to speak, what he will speak, we have to listen and then we have to respond thoughtfully. Then the relation will be continued. That is what here. Next one, have confidence. That is essential. Whatever the situation it may be, when we start speaking, in your words that matter, your body language should look very confidently. So have confident. You have to build out. You have to build up that personality, confident. It is essential. What we say, personality development. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಾದರೆ confident is essential. Personality development. Personality development means increasing your character, behavior, mannerism. Personality development means not becoming what? Fitness. So that is what here. Have confidence. Wherever you go, speak with confidence. Then they will get think that in your words there will be your words, if you speak with confidence, your words sentence will be looking more weightage, then others will listen. It can be intimating to start a conversation in many situations. See, many circumstances when you start. Know that the person you start the conversation with is likely appreciative of the gesture and may have been wanting to break the ice with you as well. See, understanding body language is also very important. Not only oral, written, oral, body language. While speaking means oral language. At the same time, we have to understand body language also. Written language, okay, it is different. We have to write. When speaking, oral and body language is very important. What one should see here, have confidence. When we start speaking, we comes to know, is it a person, listener is listening with attention or not. Sometimes that his body language may tell that he is not interested. At that time, what we should do, we have to stop that one conversation. We can go for next time. So that we have to understand. It is natural. It is natural to feel anxious or nervous when approaching a new contact. So it is quite natural. If it is a suddenly speaking with higher authority people, that we feel nervous. So quite natural. Here we feel what nervous, one type of we go for depressed. No. For that reason, confident, we have build up a character which while speaking confidently. When approaching a new contact. So how to speak a person who is higher authority? If we have confidence, we can present our oral language systematically. But the benefit of meeting new people and expanding your network is worth it. See, one should, it is this benefit. We have to get it benefit from a person who are new for us. And also we have to go on expanding of what here? Network. Network means relation with everyone. That we should ಡೆವಲಪ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಈಗ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ ಭಾಳ ಮಹತ್ವದ್ದು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಥರ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡಿನ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಭಾಷೆನೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಹೊರಗಿನ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಭಾಷೆನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಆ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಆತ್ಮಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯ, ದೃಢ ನಿರ್ಧಾರದಿಂದ ನಾವೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಭಾಳ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಆ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಬುದ್ಧತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ on language, then we can speak with fluently and we can develop a network, expanding your network, becoming more and more you can build up your relation, make it number of friends. And next one here, get contact information and follow up. So that is what here. If your conversation has gone well and it feels natural to exchange contact information, consider exchanging business cards or simply offering your email. See how to develop contact. Here conversation, if it is feel strong and natural, then try to here information, contact information. You can ask a visiting card, email address and a place where he is working, and you can develop. That is here network. So in this 21st century it is essential. not sitting within four walls. It is business world. In this business world, we should know, we have to expand our what? Contacts, means relation. So that is what here. Exchange contact information. Consider exchanging business cards or simply offering your email address. This way you can follow up explaining that it was a pleasure to meet them and that you are happy to continue the conversation as it makes sense. So those were the words which you have to use, impress on that person. You have to say that I am really happy meeting. It means I am very pleasure of meeting you on this day. Like that, those impressive words we have to learn. So for that is what here, language functioning. Words to be used means used in a proper situation. Next here, draw on specific details from your chart. While exchanging your views, specific details to let them know you paid attention and valued meeting them. See, everything plays very important. You have to give the what here, while exchanging your views, you should here, you have to draw attention, specific details you have to tell him, and know to pay attention and value meeting them. They used to feel meeting this person is really essential to me. It has given what? Worthy to me. It is a valuable meeting. It is a valuable conversation. I learned much by this meeting. Like that, they should feel. Then the conversation. So these are all what tips to build up your what? Good conversation. So that is what here essential. And in your workbook, I told you that starting, they have the first one, starting conversation, they have given with examples. You read examples and exercises they have given, do yourself. And next class here, another one concept, making request. See, request. Here starting conversation, whatever the tips is I have written on board and explained, it is enough. In this also, another, I told you according to situation. Here request, making request. Requesting is the best one which the work to be done easily. If we command, if we speak in an authoritative voice, nobody will be listened. So request is a best policy to convince others in conversation. Words while speaking, if we use words, polite words, enough. Work will be done. That we will discuss in next class. Thank you.